Hey everybody, it's Deshandra McKenzie, Income Strategist. Now today I want to talk to you guys about why I joined my Econ. Now in case you don't know, my Econ is a personal financial success company. So we show you how to increase your cash flow, eliminate your debt, fix your credit, and start investing your money, right? Now, before my econ, I can honestly say, you guys, I was going through a divorce, struggling, single mother of two, left states, moved to a state that I knew nothing about, only came down here with my clothes and my kids' clothes. So it was very hard for me to get ahead, It was hard. I had nothing to my name, no checking account, no savings account, no money at all. Now, I can honestly say, everything was just coming down on me at one time. It just feel like, like my life was just sinking in. But, a lot of times we wait for that perfect time. But honestly, you guys, there's never a perfect time. So after I joined my econ, I was able to cash flow over $400 back into my household. I used that money to create my emergency fund, eliminate $13,000 worth of student loans, you guys. I was able to pay my car in cash. My credit score went from like a 435 to a 715. Like I'm in the 700 clubs now. And also, I finally, you guys, joined the investment club. So now I'm investing my money, watching my money work for me. So I get my only advice to anybody that just feel like they can't get ahead or feel like, nothing is going right. If you are ready to apply strategies and change your life around, you guys, it's time for you guys to join. Again, I'm LaShanta McKenzie. I thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.